Hello everyone, this is Upen Pratap. This is a capstone project of the Alma Vita. The turn analysis, churn analysis, project name, origin telecom implementation and pretending churn. This is a EDA type, exploratory data analysis type, stable, team member only one, Upen Pratap Singh. This is my GitHub link, and then the problem statement is origin SA formerly France Telecom SA ये फ्रेंच मल्टीनेशनल टेलीकम्युनिकेशन कॉर्पोरेशन द ऑरेंज टेलीकॉम चर्न डेटासेट consists of client customer activity data feature along with the churn level specify whether a customer cancel the subscription, explore and analyze the data to discover key factors responsible for customer churn and come up with way recommendation to ensure customer retention. Okay, then data description. Data description is research employed a binary variable. Default churn true and false. True means shared customer, false means retained customer. As the responsible variable, the study reviewed the literate and used the following 20 variable explanatory variable. First is state, 51 unique state name, account length of the account, area code name of the area having some states, international plan, yes indicate international plan is present and no indicates no subscription for international plan. Voicemail plan, yes indicates the voicemail plan is present, no indicates the subscription for voicemail plan. Number of mail message, number of voicemail message ranging for 0 to 50. Total day minutes, total number of minutes spent in morning, total day call, total day number of call made in morning, total day charge, total charge in customer in morning, total evening minute, total number of minute call in evening, total evening call, total number of calls, evening charge, total evening charge, total evening charge, total evening charge, total charge of the customer in morning, total night minute, total number of minute call in night, total night call, total number of call made in night, total night charge, total charge in customer in night, total international minute, total number of international calls in minutes, total international call, total number of international calls made, total international charge, total charge of international calls, customer service sales calls, number of customer service calls made by customer. Then last is churn customer. True means churn customer, false means retained customer. Okay. Let's start the project. First know your data. Then first import the library. NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, Pyplot. And then lastly warning to stop the warning. Then first is data set loading, and then load the data set for the Google Drive is my drive path to load the data set. Then data set first view, data tf third head, then last view df.tail, data set row and count column is 3333 row and 20 column in the data set information. This is a data set information. State is a object, account length is integer, age according integer, international plan is a object, voicemail plan is a object, number of voicemail is a integer, and rest of things. Churn is last is a boolean object. Boolean data df.types. Data types क्या है? There are different type of data types like state is object, account length is integer, and total minutes is float, and last churn is boolean. Okay, then find a duplicate value. Number of data set is 0 in the data set is 0. Missing value and null value. Find the missing value and null value. This is a program in this data set. Missing data set 0, and then in missing data set in every column missing data set is 0. Okay, no missing value present in the data set. Okay, then visualize the missing value. First use the Messenger to visualize the missing value. First install the Messenger and then import Messenger as SMMO. Then first plot of the missing value. Okay, and then plot missing value of the missing value. Okay, no missing value are present in the data set. Under this side of the column, all column are the present here. Okay, and then df dot integer value. It's a count, mean, standard, median, all the integer and float type of the variable. Check unique value in this variable. df dot n unique is the number of the column, and second is number of the unique value present in the data set in every column. Then second then data wrangling. Data wrangling code is the right code of make your data analysis ready. First, made a copy of the initial data set, and then obtain the df.dtype, obtain the data type. Okay, and then data type. You can see 20 column have 3333 count, which indicate there are no missing value. Area code is customer service called feature and show the integer type, but there are category. Convert this feature into categorical type. Area code in customer service convert is a categorical type feature, and then select a numerical feature. In integer 64, float 64 are the type of the column is in numerical feature. Then select after the numerical feature, select a categorical object, and category type is a categorical feature. And then start ADA, exploratory data analysis. Dependent variable analysis. df.churn first count a value count, then plot a pie chart and bar chart of the churn feature. Okay, this is a pie chart. This is a bar chart of the churn feature. As you see from the above graph, both class have not a proportion. We have imbalance data set. In this data set, the churn type is imbalance data set, and in the churn customer are 483, only 14.49%, retained customer are 2580, 85.51%. High number of the customer retained. Okay, and then start a independent variable. First, categorical data, univariate analysis. In this type, find a unique value of the categorical variable. This is the column, and this is a unique variable all of the categorical column. And then find a value count of the categorical column. This is a value count of the every number of the categorical column, and find a bar graph of the categorical column. This is a bar graph of all of the categories. Okay, the maximum number of calls is 106 in West Virginia state, and minimum number of calls is 34 in California state. The maximum number of calls 1655 in 415 area code, and minimum number of calls is 838 in 408 area code. The number of calls is 323 is international plan, and number of calls 3010 not an international plan. The number of calls 922 in voice mail plan, and number of calls 2411 not a voice mail plan. For categorical data bivariate analysis, it's a feature. Find the stepwise churn, percentage churn of the data of the categorical feature, and percentage churn, and find the top and tail value of the percentage churn of the categorical data type. Plot a bar graph between categorical feature and categorical feature of the independent and dependent variable. Okay, this is bar graph between categorical dependent feature and independent feature. State New Jersey has the highest churn rate. State Hawaii has lowest churn rate. Area code 510 has highest churn rate. Area code 514 has lowest churn rate. International plan is yes the highest churn rate. International plan is no the lowest churn rate. Voice mail plan is yes the highest churn rate. Voice mail plan is no has lowest churn rate. Data show that if there are more than 3 customer service calls, the churn increase. For numerical data, univariate analysis, find a disk-plot of the numerical feature. First, we find a disk-plot of the numerical feature. From this distribution plot has been observed, data is normal distribution, which is good thing in analyze data. In data in numerical feature plot a normal distribution is good. Okay, then plot a box plot of the numerical feature with target feature churn, independent variable and numerical feature. Box plot between the numerical feature and dependent variable. Okay, it's a box plot of the different type of the numerical feature. Okay, then find a group by of the churn data and numerical feature. Independent variable, numerical variable, number of the column, number of the values. Okay, a different type of the values. Okay, maximum values. Me is the upper is the mean value, maximum values. Okay, okay. Yeah, this is the mean values with independent and numerical type of the feature. Independent value, numerical type of feature. Okay. This is a maximum values of the different of the numerical feature with dependent variable. Okay. Plot a bar plot of the mean values. Mean values, plot a bar graph of the numerical feature. Mean values. Okay, this is a bar graph of the numerical feature mean values. Okay. And this is a max plot, bar plot of the maximum values of the numerical feature. Okay. Okay. Calculate the per minute call of different category. It's a total calls of the different category. Its international call is very low, night call is high, every evening call is night and evening call are the same, and day call is low. Okay, night and evening call is high, and national call is very low. Okay, calculate the per minute call in different category. Okay, number of minute call in different category is already the same. Night and evening call per minute is different. They are same. Day per minute, day calling minutes are low, and international calling minutes are very low. Okay, calculate the total calls in different category of calls. Okay, same thing. Number of calls in different category. In night, evening and day calls are high, and national call is very low. Okay, calculate the charge of the different category of calls. Let's calculate the charge. Day charge is very high, evening charge is low, uh, uh, low, international charge is very low. Okay, calculate the charge per calls in different category. Okay, this is important. International charge per calls is very high. Day charge is second, evening charge is third, and night charge is very low. For your graph is sent in international call charge is high and compared to other call charge, so it next step is need to analyze. Is the churn because of the internal call or not? Okay, call per minute. It's also an important feature. International call per minute is also a high, and the second is day, third is evening, and fourth is night. Call or not? Okay. Correlation heat map of the data set. This heat map shows the higher correlation between the churn and total day minute, total day charge, then evening calls or total day charge, customer service charge. Okay, service call. Okay. This is a pair plot of the data set. So, okay, this is a pair plot. Okay, last is solution of the business objective. The heat map shows the highest correlation between churn and total day minute, total day charge, total evening call, and total evening charge of the customer service call. In a state NJ, Texas, where churn rate is high, company needs to inspect if there is low network penetration or computer are offering cheaper prices. Customer with international calling plan churn 200% more than the normal customers, so need to address with optional international calling rate. When there are more than churn increase, call churn increase, which means that there is need a resolving customer concern for customer retention and satisfaction, which lead to reduction in customer churn. Okay. Conclusion: there is a correlation between churn and total day minute, total day charge, then evening call of total day evening charge, and customer service charge high. Total day minutes and total day charge is responsible for customer churn. Okay. Okay. Thank you for everyone.